Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make PowerPoint presentation password protected. Let's get started. At first you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make the presentation password protected. At first go to the file menu, select save as option, then select the browse option. Then choose our file location. When we save this file, then write your file name. Now I am write my file name. Then click the tools drop down menu and select general option. We can see here the option is file encryption setting for this document. Now I am write my password. Then retype this password again. Then click OK. Then again retype the password. Then again click OK. Then last retype the same password, then click OK. Then save the file. Wait some moment to saving the file. Then go to our file location and check the file. We can see here the PowerPoint file. Now we double click this file to open. Double click on this file and wait some moment to open this. Now we can see here open a window to password. Now I am type my password, then click OK. Then again retype the same password, then click OK. Now we can see we make the presentation password protected easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.